Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you, you are driving down the road. You stop somewhere and you're going to start the car or your Hummer or your any other SUV and your battery dies on you. You have two options, either get the jump start or get a new battery. If you need a jump start, you need a battery cable, then you need another car which can give you a jump start. And today I'm going to share with you the product which is very handy and very reliable. And without wasting any time, let's get started. This product is the Jump Start from Tacklife. This is very handy. If we press it, it lights up. All the blue light is fully charged. The input or the adapter which you can plug in at home and you can charge it. The USB, and this is the output, 12 volt output, and it has also flashlight, emergency light, and you can use this product in many ways. User manual, please go through with that. This is micro USB cable. This is 12 volt power adapter. The wall adapter, and this is the output, and the clamp. This is the engine start, and we're going to open that, and that's where we're going to plug in the clamp. In order to plug in, there is indicator, and that's a groove, so it will fit only one way. So we're going to put it in like that. One thing is really good about it, if you plug in to the battery in a reverse order, it will light up and it will tell you that you plug in wrong. If it's a crack, then it will say crack, and then we're going to start our car. This tiny product is very useful, and we're going to use it on our Hummer. My Hummer has a new battery. What I've done it, I took it out the old battery, I put it inside, and we're going to give a jump start with this booster. I'm going to open up the hood, open the latches. Once you're going to see the performance of this jump start, and I'm sure you're going to say that I do want one. I'm going to list the part number under my description, so please check it out and let's take a look. So this is the negative terminal and that's positive. Plug in to the positive, red, and black to negative. If we notice that the bright light on a crack, it shows up. Now we're going to start it. So we have our jump start on, and now I'm going to start it. As you see, it's all started. Now we're going to unplug it. And that's how it's easy and simple without getting a help from anybody. You have this product with you, it's very handy. So let me share with you the final thought. So we all done. I'm going to close the Hummer, close the latches. It's all done. I'm ready to go. After putting the cables back, put the Tacklife back, and this one can fit in anywhere in your car. It's very reliable as you've seen it. This is my personal opinion. I would suggest that everyone should have this kind of gadget and they can take advantage of it. You don't have to depend on anyone. In the morning time, your battery is drained out. You really don't need to bother anyone, and you can get the help from Jumpstart. And the Jumpstart is from Tacklife. If you like this video to be helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.